Hello, viewers. On April 8, 2025 दिन day, মই লগা Chief Secretary of Nagaland by issue কৰা একটা order থাকিছে। এটো লগা order 147 contractual assistant professors আৰু librarians খান হলে regularize কৰিবলৈ একটা order issue কৰা থাকিছে। এটো লগা order মই লগা Minister of Higher Education and Tourism brabi support কৰা থাকিছে। আৰু শুনা হিচাপতে এটো order ওলাটো হলে in the interest of public service nimide ola thakise holebi idu order ola bichide across the state 147 contractual professors or librarian khan hole regular bonai dibule right now wrong ase idu laga opore debates and backlashes thakise enaka thaka bichide public laga pressure bra state government bra takhan bra issue kura order hole just after 2 days idu roll back kura thakise Dated April 10, 2025 din de government bra ekta nudun circular olaise. Etu lagar circular to koi ase ki 8 April 2025 din de ola regularization order do hole further notice na padak to hole none and void inaka koi ase. It further instructed all college principal that regularization lago opore nichu college de administrative changes to ekpar na thagule koise. This time laga regularization ekpar nimide cancel korado hole since 2022 pector appointment nimide court writ petitions kan PC pending hoigana ase etu nimide this time laga order to ekpar rokhai dia thakise aro this time laga regularization laga attempt de across the state debate chabule reignite kora thakise aro etu laga debate de kunba khan brado hole government ke against kuri ase aro kunuba khan brado hole government ke support kuri ase PC undergraduate students union khan bra government laga decision of regularization ke support kura thakise for example the Dimapur government college students council khan bra the department of higher education ke likha letter de contractual arrangement under the thaka faculties khan hole with utmost sincerity tahan laga tudi du kuri ase kugina likha thakise similar support to hole Southang College Students Union khan bra koa thakise tahan bra koa hisapte tahan laga college te acute faculty shortage to ase enaga thaka homoy de contractual teachers khan bra beyond their role college te ekdam tangor responsibilities to loigena buhi ase koigena Southang College Students Union khan bra bi government laga decision ke support kurigena koa thakise Aro government laga decision of regularization ke Zonhibudu government college students union khan brabi support kurigena koi ase takhan bra koi hisapte contractual basis se thaga teachers khan bra 6 to 12 years nisna tahan laga college te serve kurigena ahi ase etu nimide takhan bra department hole function kurib nimide fully responsible loigena ahi ase aro takhan hi hole sole educator ase kugena koi ase The Kohima Science College Students Union Jotsoma Khan bra initially government laga idea of regularization ke support kurigena koise tahan bra koise ki especially semester system thaka nimide teachers khan PC shortage hogena thakise holibi contractual basis te aha teacher khan bra PC madad tisugona dahan koise however after further deliberation union bra government ke support korado hole withdraw kurise aro koise ki not to take sides So viewers itia koi dia nisna government laga idea of regularization ke kuno baru support kuri ase aro kuno baru idu laga opore criticize kuri ase academic forums nole aspirant groups khan bra regularization ke criticize kuri ase kile kole idu fair recruitment procedure nohoy kuigena koi ase the Dimapur Naga students union khan bra koi ase ki government laga idea of regularization aro idu nisna appointment hole directly qualified Naga youths khan laga rights violate kura ase kuigena condemn kuri ase aro tahan ba further koise ki many Naga youths are preparing for NPSC to juti edu laga appointment nohole edu laga regularization to carry out kuri sholo do public recruitment laga integrity du hole pia kuri dia ase kuigena the Dimapur Naga students union khan ba koise the Naga research scholars forum Shillong khan brabi koi ase ki government laga idea of regularization to take na kile kole deserving candidates like NED pass hua khan noile PhD holders khan bra common educational services examination nimide prepare kuri ase to juti etu regularization to hole carry out kuri shoglo do deserving candidates khan bra chance na pabo koise আৰু বি নাগালেণ্ড নেট কোৱালিফাইড ফৰাম খান পৰা এটো লগা ওপৰে কৈ আছে কি যদি এটো লগা ৰেগুলাৰাইজেশ্যন টো হলে carry out কৰিছবলেটো it will be a cross violation of recruitment ethics কৈছে আৰু তাখান পৰা পোষ্টাৰ কেম্পেইন on social media বি carry out কৰা থাকিছে কি লগা কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সাম হবে এটোকে মেৰিট বেস চাইছবলেটো ভাল হ'ব কইনা নাগালেণ্ড নেট কোৱালিফাইড ফৰাম খান বা কোৱাবি জানাই দি আছে So viewers achi laga video de Nagaland government bra 147 contractual basis se thaka assistant professors khan aro librarians khan hole regularize kuru nimide order issue kura thakise holibi after 2 days tahan bra itu order hole roll back kura thakise government laga idea of regularization opore kunbaru hole support kuri ase aro kunbaru hole itu thik nai koi ase So viewers amna laga phapana be ki ase comment section de koi diule request kora bi janai di ase aji laga video iman khatam kuri di ase thank you everyone for watching my video